Hey guys, good news. As of today, Sledgehammer has now released the hidden character challenges. They had put them in the game but then locked them, and then today there was an update and they've made them available again. There's one that is extremely easy to get. It's called Soulless, and big shout out to Empty Juicebox. He let me know about these steps, but it is the DeathRaven Survivalist outfit. There are some hints that let you know kind of what you need to do to help guide you, but it doesn't come out and just tell you the steps and what to do, but I'll show you guys that in just a moment. But here are both of the Survivalist characters that I currently have unlocked. The one on the left is from Final Reich, like the first one you get. This new DeathRaven outfit is the one on the right, so you can see it's a little bit of a color change. There are 3 things that you have to do to unlock this, and again, very easy. You have to do it on solo, and you have to do it on the Darkest Shore. So if you don't have that DLC, well, you're not going to get this character. When you first spawn into Darkest Shore, there is a wave that's called Wave 0. It's before, round 1, and all these zombies come in from the water and rush the beach. And that group of zombies is what you complete these challenges with. One of them, you have to get nothing but headshots. So kill every zombie with a headshot. And there's around like 25 zombies or so, and you can use the M1 on the wall right there, or you can just put it in your loadout as your starting weapon. With this one, I put on Shell Shock just to kind of freeze the last ones to make it easier. You cannot use any consumables, but I would recommend aiming really high, even above the head, so you just make sure that it is a headshot. So after you get the headshot challenge, and you don't have to do these in any particular order, and you can actually do 2 of these in the same game. The remaining 2 challenges are, again, you have to kill all the zombies on round 0 in a crouched position. Then the last challenge is to kill all zombies on round 0 with melee only. These 2 you can do in the same game, so as soon as you spawn in, just go crouch, bust out the shovel, and start meleeing. Now the difference between being on solo and co-op on the beach is that the zombies are really, really slow when you're on solo, so it makes these challenges incredibly easy. But when you're on co-op, these zombies start running really fast. I use camouflage for this one just to speed up the process and just get through it, but yeah, there's really not a challenge with this one, and when you complete this one, you should see both of the challenges pop up if you're doing it in the same game, and that will get you the DeathRaven Survivalist outfit that I just showed earlier in the video. There's some other challenges that are extremely easy to get, and you're probably going to start unlocking them if you're just playing normally, and I'll show you guys what those are. So this one here is called Get Rich Quick, and basically what you're trying to do is get 25,000 points before round 13, and as soon as you hit the 25,000 points, it's going to pop up. It doesn't matter what player gets the 25,000 points, everyone in the game will be awarded it. And what I did was I had a player in the sub-pin area just, killing and getting all the points. I ran a giant train around the entire map and got no kills and just allowed the other player to collect all the points from all the kills. If you keep going and you get 30,000 points before round 13, you're going to see this one pop up, and it's called Create a Horde Before It's Too Late. Now, it doesn't really make sense with earning 30,000 points, and it made it sound like it was more like kill a horde of zombies, but it's not. It's just getting that 30k. All of these new character unlocks have 3 challenges each, so this one is in the same set of challenges, and it unlocks one of the hunter character outfits. The 3rd challenge isn't as easy as the first 2, just getting 25k and 30k. It requires you to complete the main Easter egg either on solo or with the starting pistol. People are not sure exactly what unlocks it yet. All these characters are very new, so we're still trying to figure all of them out, and I'll keep you guys updated, but I hope this helped y'all out, and we'll see you next video.